This video is about the exercise use recursion to create a range of numbers. Most people who try to solve the exercise come up with this code. We can see that the tests are failing because our numbers are in reverse order. Our function returns 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it should return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can use Python tutor to execute our code step by step. We call range of numbers with 1 and 4. Our base case is false. 1 is not equal to 4. Our recursive case is executed. The recursive call is made with 2 and 4. Start num is 2, end num is 4. Our base case is false. 2 is not equal to 4. Our recursive case is executed. The recursive call is made with 3 and 4. The start num is 3, end num is 4. Our base case is false. 3 is not equal to 4. Our recursive case is executed. The recursive call is made with 4 and 4. The start num is 4, end num is 4. Our base case is true. Start num is 4, end num is 4. Our base case returns an array with one element, end num. We can see the stack. A stack is a data structure in which the last element that was added to the stack is the first element that is removed from the stack. In this case, an array with the number 4. We can see that the variable r is an array. With one element, the number 4. Now we can put startNum into the variable r. StartNum is equal to 3. The recursive case returns the variable r. R is an array with 2 elements, the number 4 and the number 3. We put startNum into the variable r. StartNum is equal to 2. The recursive case returns the variable r. R is an array with 3 elements, the number 4, the number 3, and the number 2. We can see that the variable r is an array with 3 elements, the number 4, the number 3, the number 2. We put startNum into the variable r. StartNum is equal to 1. The recursive case returns the variable r. R is an array with 4 elements, the number 4, the number 3, the number 2, and the number 1. This code fails because JavaScript uses a stack. What happens when the base case is false? The function calls itself. What happens when the base case is true? The base case returns an array. From the base case, why can I put startNum into R? Because after the base case is true, R is an array. why I am getting 4, 3, 2, 1? Because JavaScript uses a stack. Solution: replace push with unshift.